Hi guys, welcome back to Educate channel. So this is the ICAR PG 2020 seat matrix for animal science stream. So feel free to subscribe. So the reference is ICAR. So veterinary physiology, the first course you have, this is the seat list. This is the college wise, the category wise seat list. So this is the livestock production management. So next is the animal genetics and breeding. This is animal nutrition. So this is the extension education. So next one is the livestock products technology. Next one is the animal husbandry or dairy science. The seats are very less actually. Next one is the poultry science. Little more seats are present all over the India. Next one is the livestock veterinary or animal husbandry economics course. Thank you.